Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever dreamed of starting your own business but didn't know where to begin, this video is for you. Today we're talking about 5 incredible business machines you can buy directly from Amazon to start making money. These machines are perfect for side hustles or full-time businesses, and they can generate profits with minimal effort. With technology advancing rapidly, these machines are now more affordable and accessible than ever. You don't need a huge investment to get started, just the right tools and a little creativity. Let's dive right in. First up, we have the t-shirt printing machine. Custom apparel is a booming industry, and you can tap into this market by printing and selling custom t-shirts, hoodies, and more. With a heat press machine and some transfer paper, you can start a print-on-demand business right from your home. Whether you create your own designs or let customers personalize their apparel, there's a huge demand for unique, custom-made clothing. This market continues to grow as people seek exclusive fashion statements and personalized gifts. You can even collaborate with local artists to create unique collections that attract a niche audience. How it makes money. You can sell your t-shirts on platforms like Etsy, Shopify, or even at local events. With low production costs and high profit margins, this machine can quickly pay for itself. By offering seasonal and trending designs, you can maintain a steady flow of customers year-round. Expanding to corporate merchandise and bulk orders can also boost your revenue significantly. Estimated cost: $200, $500 varies by brand and features. Bonus tip: look for a combo heat press machine that can also print on mugs, caps, and phone cases for extra income streams. This will allow you to diversify your product range and maximize profits from a single machine. Pro advice: invest in high-quality heat transfer vinyl or sublimation ink to ensure your designs last longer and attract repeat customers. Build a social media presence, showcasing your designs to attract more buyers. Engaging in influencer marketing and offering limited time discounts can help scale your business faster. Number 2 on our list is the laser engraving machine. This powerful tool allows you to engrave designs on wood, acrylic, metal, glass, and even leather. How it makes money. You can create and sell customized gifts, home decor, jewelry, and even business signage. Personalized products are in high demand, and customers are willing to pay a premium for unique engraved items. The ability to offer customization makes it even more attractive for customers who want one-of-a-kind products. You can even expand into corporate gifting, where companies order in bulk for employee rewards and branding purposes. Estimated cost: $300 to $1,500, depending on size and power. Bonus tip: start small with keychains, coasters, and engraved wallets before expanding to larger projects like furniture and wall art. Experimenting with different materials and intricate designs can help you stand out in a competitive market. Pro advice: join craft and business forums to learn about trending engraved products. Partner with local businesses to create branded merchandise for them. Offering on-the-spot engraving services at craft fairs and local markets can increase your visibility and sales. Coming in at number 3, we have the sublimation printer. This machine lets you print high-quality designs on a variety of products. How it makes money. By selling personalized merchandise online. Websites like Redbubble, Etsy, and Amazon Handmade are perfect places to showcase and sell your custom products. Since people love unique gifts, offering a wide range of designs and themes can help you build a strong brand. Businesses also seek personalized merchandise, making corporate branding another profitable avenue. Estimated cost: $200 to $800, depending on printer model and ink system. Bonus tip: bundle multiple products together, like custom mug and coaster sets, to increase your sales and profit margins. Offering discounts on bulk purchases can also help attract more customers. Pro advice: offer bulk discounts for businesses needing branded merchandise. Leverage seasonal trends by creating themed products for holidays and special occasions. Running social media ads to promote exclusive collections can drive additional traffic and sales. Next up, we have the 3D printer, a game changer for small businesses and entrepreneurs. A 3D printer can create anything from home decor and jewelry to phone stands and custom figurines. How it makes money: sell custom printed products, replacement parts, or even offer 3D printing services to local businesses. Many people are willing to pay for unique, high-quality 3D printed items they can't find elsewhere. The market for personalized 3D printed goods is growing as more people seek customized solutions. You can even create prototypes for small businesses looking to develop new products. Estimated cost: $200. $2,000 higher-end models provide better precision and speed. Bonus tip: start with print-on-demand services where customers send you their 3D models and you print and ship them for a fee. Exploring niche markets like cosplay accessories and gaming miniatures can be highly profitable. Pro advice: research popular 3D printing niches, such as tabletop gaming accessories, cosplay props, and home organizers. Offer customization options to attract more buyers. Leveraging online marketplaces and social media can help you reach a global customer base. Last but not least, we have the automated coffee vending machine. Coffee is a billion-dollar industry, and people are always looking for a quick caffeine fix. By setting up a coffee vending machine in high-traffic areas like office buildings, gyms, and universities, you can earn passive income with little maintenance. How it makes money: charge per cup of coffee and make profits daily. With the right location, you could earn hundreds or even thousands of dollars per month. Adding different beverage options, such as tea and hot chocolate, can attract a wider customer base. Estimated cost: $1,000 to $5,000 depending on size and features. Bonus tip: partner with local businesses or offices to place your machine where employees and customers will use it regularly. Offering subscription-based coffee plans to companies can provide steady revenue. Pro advice: stock premium coffee and offer multiple drink options to attract a wider customer base. Regularly maintain and restock the machine to keep customers coming back. Using eco-friendly cups and sustainable practices can boost your brand image and attract conscious consumers. And there you have it, 5 amazing business machines you can buy from Amazon to start making money, plus a few bonus ideas. Whether you want to start small with a t-shirt printing machine or go big with a coffee vending machine, these tools offer real opportunities to generate income. Which machine are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on future money-making ideas. Keep an eye out for our next video where we'll dive into more innovative business ideas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.